Welcome back to IT Step by Step. Today, we're going to secure our very first Cisco switch. This lab will teach you how professional network engineers perform the initial configuration of a switch before it is placed into production. We'll configure the hostname, secure console access, protect privileged mode, create a security banner, and finally save the configuration so nothing is lost after a reboot. Let's begin by giving our switch a unique identity. Every switch should have a meaningful hostname because it makes documentation, troubleshooting, and administration much easier. Instead of every device being called switch, we'll identify this one as S1. Enable, configure terminal, hostname S1, exit. Immediately after entering the hostname command, notice that the command prompt changes from switch to S1. That simple change confirms the hostname has been successfully applied. Next slide. Now, let's secure console access. Anyone connecting physically to the switch through the console port should be required to enter a password before gaining access. Enable, configure terminal, line console 0, password Cisco, login, exit. The login command is extremely important. Without it, the password exists in the configuration, but Cisco iOS will never ask anyone to enter it. Always configure both the password and the login command together. Next slide. Next, we'll protect privileged exec mode. Older Cisco devices use the enable password command, but modern networks use enable secret because it encrypts the password inside the configuration file. Configure terminal, enable password C1$C0, exit. Now verify the configuration, show running -config. You'll notice the enable password appears in plain text. Anyone who can read the configuration can see the password. Let's replace it with a secure encrypted password. Configure terminal, enable secret, it's secret, exit. Run the verification again, show run. Now, the password is encrypted. The enable secret command automatically overrides the older enable password and is the recommended method used in production networks. Let's configure a message of the day banner. This warning appears before anyone logs into the switch and is commonly required by organizations as part of their security policy. Configure terminal, banner modded hash, authorized access. Only violators will be prosecuted to the full extent of the law. This is a secure system asterisk, #, exit. Notice that we use the pound symbol as the delimiter. Cisco displays everything between the first and last pound symbol and asterisk as the banner message. You can choose another delimiter as long as that character does not appear inside the banner text. Verify the banner configuration. Show running config, section banner. The next time someone connects to the switch, this warning message will appear before the login prompt. The final step is one of the most important. Save your configuration. If you forget this command, every change you've made will disappear after the switch reloads. Copy running config startup config. Press enter to accept the default destination file name. After a few seconds, Cisco confirms the configuration has been written to NVRM. Verify your work, show startup config, congratulations. You have successfully configured the hostname, secured console access, protected privileged mode with an encrypted password, created a professional security banner, and saved your configuration. Your first Cisco switch is now secured and ready for the next stage of your CCNA journey. Remember, don't memorize commands. Understand why every command changes the behavior of the network. That's what separates a technician from a network engineer. Thank you for learning with IT Step by Step. I'll see you in the next lab.